Hi guys, I'm just going to play fish. I'm gonna play fish.
Let us meet the actors.
Jackpot! Oh wait, oh wait. Oh.
And now our play
What I mean? What am I gonna do?
Grandma is at home. But who is this visitor? On the big
Well done, Danny. Oh dear, Danny's forgotten what he says next.
What?
Grandma, you must go in the cupboard. Go in the cupboard. The big red wolf is pretending to be Grandma.
I forgot. I'm AFK.
Sorry, Peppa. Carry on.
I'm going to visit my grandma. Oh, you don't look like my grandma. What big eyes you have. What big teeth you have. You are not grandma. I do. Get it? Yeah, I
Get it. Alright, I'm done.
was here. Just in time. Hello, the hunter. Help. Help. Just in time.
Shake, 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 shake.
You are a very
Meh. Shake, 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 shake.
Thank you.
Great. Shake. Wait a minute. Did they just? Oh, time to get the fish. Time to get the fish. Oh my god. The fish. The fish. Oh. Let's go get the fish. Come on, the fish. Oh no. I'm losing. The fish. Give me the fish. Oh my god, it's a very, very big trout. Wait, what? Alright, I got a trout, longmouth bass, carp. Oh man, wait, what's this? Looks like I have to use the speedboat. I am just gonna join. Thank you, bye bye. That's where I want to be. That's where I want to be. I'm just gonna go there. What's this? Huh? What is AFK rewards? Ahoy, mateys! I just say that because, Experiment 21. Experiment 21.
George is trying really hard, but he's running out of breath.
I'm gonna use this plastic bag I have. What do you mean, meh? Oh, oh. Oh god. Oh. Wait. Wait. Wait! No! Oh yay! Amazing! You have to shake, 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 shake. Oh, I think I hear something. Wait, no, I'm losing! Yes, I got perfect. Alright, we have to shake. Oh, shake, shake. Oh god, I smell something. Fish. That's it, I'm getting that thing. It's just... I got a trout. I got a carp. And it's so brighter. It's so... What's this? I also got a bright amora. I found a trout again. I found back fins. Let's go swim. I love swimming with fins. Let's just use my submarine. Oh. Okay. Just died. Wait, what is... Someone took my $460. Hi. Sure, you must fix. Why? Nobody find me. Okay. Where am I? Oh, go. Aye, matey. I'm helping you. Matey, I'm helping you. What are we doing? Why are we fishing that? We're not fishing. Hey, how do you do that? How do you get a red copy? I'm just gonna get that. Great. Huh? Oh wait, we have to do like this. Alright, what about the meh? I got meh. Let's just use plastic rod. I got the Aurora announcement. Oh my god, who is that? Who's that? Who's that? What is that? Why is there a totem here? Wow. Wait, what does it do?
Not too sure. Please, Emily. Okay, I'll try.
Perfect. Wait.
My goodness, that was massive.
Wait. Forsaken. Like the game called Forsaken.
Emily is try anymore.
Emily, would you like to say our favourite? What is our favourite?
Mama.
Puzzle. That's my favourite game too.
Emma loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
This is the village and this is the merchant.
This looks like fun. Yippee! Madame Gazelle loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Everyone loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
I'm just going to. Oh.
Yes, Madame.
Alright, I'm out. I still smell Forsaken. Anyways, this is it. I'll get better at this later, I guess.